Hello, welcome all to Anuti, your YouTube study channel. We have started with the lecture series for 12th standard students. We have started with the question bank and we discussed about a topic called differentiation in the earlier lecture. Today, we are going to discuss about a topic called integration. So let us understand a few basic before we proceed. So integration, as we know, it is a reverse process of differentiation. Discuss about the differentiation in the earlier lecture. So I can say here it is a reverse process. You will be given a derivative and you will be asked to find out the original function. That is what we do when we solve the problem using the integration. So there are basic formulas that just now we have seen. There are so many lists. The basic formula for integration is integration of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. So this is a very basic formula that we'll be using to simplify the problem. Again, the composite function fundamentals that we discussed for the derivative function, they are applicable to the integration functions as well. But here, when we are using the composite function, we are going to divide by the derivative of the composite function. That is an additional step you will be doing when you are solving the problem. Like, if we have a question, what is the integration of cos 2x dx? It will be integration of cos x is sin x. So it will be sin 2x, angle will be 2x. Now 2x is a composite function. So we are going to divide the answer by the derivative of composite function, that is 2x. So you will be getting the answer as sin 2x upon 2 plus c. So this is how you are going to apply the same standard formulas for the integration that we discussed. But for the composite function, this is the additional step that we will be doing. We have just now seen the basic formula for integration and how to apply the rules for composite. On the screen, there are a few more formulas that we will be using when we are solving the problems on integration. So like it has been given that what is the formula for derivative and compared with the integration formula. For example, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, and when you integrate e raised to x dx, you are getting the answer as e raised to x plus c. Similarly, derivative of sin x is cos x, and when you integrate cos x, you are getting sin x. So just look into the formula list and memorize it. We'll be using when we are solving the problems. So formulas on the screen, they show us that integration and differentiation, they are opposite of each other. They are inverse of each other. So if you memorize the left hand side, you can very well know what is going to be the right hand side. So it is very easy. Though the list looks like huge, it is not that. Only one part you have to memorize. Second part easily you can understand or recollect. This is few more list for the integration formulas. Like when you look at what is the integral given to you for simplification, if you see them in a standard form, you can directly apply this formula. Like if you see this integral in the form of 1 upon 1 plus x square, the formula you can get is tan inverse of x plus c. So it is a good practice to memorize all these formulas displayed on the screen. Now, like we discussed the different methods to solve the problems on differentiation, here are the few methods that are applicable when we are attempting the problem on integration. So the different methods are, you can apply the direct formula depending upon what is the form of the problem given to you. Then second is by substitution method. Third is by integration by parts, and fourth is by partial fraction method. Now so let us solve the first problem, which is based on the direct formula method. So as soon as I look at the integral, and if I notice, I can rearrange the terms inside the integral, and what I can get is by rearranging, I get 3 upon 5 raised to x minus 4 upon 5 raised to x dx. And when I separate it out, I get it is of the form 3 by 5 x dx minus 4 by 5 raised to x. Now as you can guess, it is the formula a raised to x, integral of a raised to x, we can apply it directly, where a is 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 here. So what I can write here, what is the formula? It is a raised to x upon log of a. So directly by applying this formula, we get the answer as, it is a raised to x, that is 3 by 5 raised to x as it is, upon log of 3 by 5 minus 4 by 5 raised to x as it is upon log of 4 by 5 plus c. This problem will come for the 2 marks, and that is how you're going to solve. Then look at the next question on the screen. It says cos cube x. Again, we have a direct formula for cos x. We do not have formula for cos cube x. So what we can do? We can take the help of multiple angle formula. That is, we have a formula for cos 3 theta, right? What is cos 3 theta? Cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So if I apply this formula here, I can get from this multiple angle formula, I can get the value of cos cube theta. So what I can write is cos cube x is equal to, if I transfer this here, what I will be getting? Cos 3 theta minus 3 cos theta upon 1 by 4, right? And as the problem is in x, let us convert theta into x. So what I'll be getting is cos cube x is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3x minus 3 cos x. Now just substituting this in the given integral, we'll be getting the answer, and it will be I is equal to, it is 1 by 4 is a constant, I'm just taking it outside. It is cos of 3x dx. 3 is also a constant, taking it outside. It is cos of x dx. Directly applying the formula. First is a composite function, second is simple function. 1 by 4 is common to both. Integration of cos 3x will be sin 3x, and derivative of 3x is 3 minus 3. What is the derivative of cos x? It is sin x plus c. So when you simplify, the final answer will be sin 3x upon 12 minus 3 sin x upon 4 plus c. This is the answer. So let us now solve the next problem. You have been given integral 1 upon 1 minus sin x dx. To simplify this, there is one arrangement that you have to do. You have to do one additional step here before you directly apply the formula. And the step will be, you multiply the given term by its conjugate. We have a term 1 minus sin x in the denominator. Conjugate of this is 1 plus sin x. So in the numerator and denominator, you multiply with the conjugate. So what you get in the numerator is integral of 1, it is 1 into 1 plus sin x as it is. And here it is 1 minus sin square x. But 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. So I will be getting, it is equal to integral of 1 plus sin x upon cos square x dx. And when I separate the terms, I get to integral 1 upon cos square x, giving me sec square x. And second term is plus integral of sin x upon cos x is tan x, and 1 upon cos x is sec x dx. So integral of, we have now the direct formulas that we can apply here. So what I get is sec square x dx integration is tan x, and tan x sec x is sec x. So that is what is the answer. Now look at the second problem on the screen. Here I can very well remember the formula that it is of the form dx upon a square x square minus x square. Right? First we have x square. So what I can rewrite this term as, we have a direct formula for this, right? So I can rearrange the term as 2x the whole square minus 1 square. So here x is 2x and a is 1. And what is the formula? We have 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. So when I apply this formula here, I get 1 upon 2 into a is 1 log of x is my 2x. 2x minus a, that is 1. 2x plus 1 plus c. So that is what is the answer. 1 upon 2 log of 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1 plus c. So the type of problem that we discussed about today was on integration, and we have discussed the problem. There are two types of integration, that the problem that come in the exam. One is called indefinite. and other is definite. So today what we discuss is about the indefinite integrals, where we always add plus c as a constant of integration after applying the direct formula or simplifying it. Here in definite, we get the definite value of the integral because the problem will look like it is 1 to 2 x dx. That is how you see a limit over the integral sign. Here it will be simply x dx. That is how we solve. So the difference between the indefinite and definite is, in indefinite you do not get a specific value. You simply write the answer after applying the formula and you add plus c as a constant of integration. But in definite, after getting the value by applying the formula, whatever term that you have, you substitute these limits 1 to 2. These numbers you upper limit minus lower limit, that's what you calculate and you get the some definite value. So we are going to study about this in some later part of the videos. But what we discuss is about the definite. So there are few problems given in the comment box. So try to solve those problems. Write your answer in the comment section and let me know your answers. So I hope you are finding my video helpful for preparing your 12th board exam. So do like, comment and share and see you very soon. Thank you.